Welcome guys, welcome to World Cuisine by Dipping Sauces. So today we are learning about olive hummus. So how many of you guys like olives? Green olives or black olives? Guess it. We're doing black olives today. So let's get started with the recipe. So for black olives hummus, we've taken about 200 grams of soaked and boiled chickpeas, about half a cup of black olives. It's very much available. You can use the black olives. These are the sliced ones that we have used. About 1 tablespoon of tahina. So tahina makes the recipe and the hummus more smoother. About 2 pods of fried garlic. If you don't have fried garlic, you can also add fresh garlic. That is also fine, but fried garlic makes the hummus more tastier. About 2 tablespoons of olive oil. About a little bit of half tablespoon of salts and about half a tablespoon of cumin powder and a little bit of water as per the consistency. And now let's get to the mixie and mix it. Let's blend it for another 30 seconds to a minute and see the results. So our smooth olives hummus is ready and we will pour it into a bowl. So our olive hummus is ready. As you can see, I'm going to decorate it, garnish it with some nice black sliced olives. So you can decorate it the way you like it. You can also use calamari olives, you can make green olives, you can make jalapeno hummus. So there's lots of varieties that you can do in hummus. And now we're going to sprinkle a little bit of sesame seeds and a little bit of olive oil. Finish it up with olive oil and your olive hummus is ready. You can have it with chips, you can have it as a dip in a mezza platter that we have made. So it's amazing. So thank you guys. So thank you so much for having a look at my recipe. I really enjoyed making it for you. I hope you try it out at home. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, World Cuisine by the Dipping Sauces. Please click on the bell icon. See you guys. See you next week.